Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Becoming a happy wife involves cultivating a positive mindset, fostering open communication, and nurturing your relationship. Here are some tips to help you on your journey to becoming a happy wife. Self-care. Prioritize your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Take time for yourself. Engage in activities you enjoy, and practice self-care routines to reduce stress and enhance your overall happiness. Open communication. Effective communication is key in any relationship. Share your thoughts, feelings, and concerns with your spouse openly and honestly. Encourage them to do the same, and create a safe space for both of you to express yourselves without fear of judgment. Quality time. Spend quality time together, engaging in activities that you both enjoy. Whether it's a movie night, a romantic dinner, or a weekend getaway, these shared experiences strengthen your bond and create cherished memories. Appreciation and gratitude. Express appreciation for your spouse regularly. Recognize and acknowledge their efforts, both big and small. Gratitude fosters positivity and reinforces the love you have for each other. Supportive partner. Be a source of support for your spouse's dreams, aspirations, and challenges. Encourage their personal growth and offer a helping hand whenever needed. Respect boundaries. Respect each other's personal boundaries and individuality. It's important to maintain a sense of autonomy while also nurturing your connection. Conflict resolution. Disagreements are natural in any relationship. Focus on resolving conflicts in a healthy and respectful manner. Listen actively, avoid blaming, and work together to find solutions that benefit both of you. Shared responsibilities. Divide household and family responsibilities fairly. Collaborate on tasks to reduce stress and create a sense of teamwork. Affection and intimacy. Physical affection and intimacy are important components of a happy marriage. Make time for romance, emotional connection, and intimacy to keep the spark alive. Maintain individual interests. While spending time together is crucial, also continue nurturing your individual interests and hobbies. This will help you maintain a sense of self and prevent feelings of being overwhelmed. Forgiveness and patience. Nobody is perfect, and mistakes will happen. Practice forgiveness and patience, both with yourself and your spouse. Let go of grudges and work together to move forward. Continual growth. Strive for personal growth and encourage your spouse to do the same. A marriage that evolves and adapts to changes will likely be a happier one. Remember that happiness in a marriage is a shared goal, and both partners contribute to its success. It's essential to communicate openly, prioritize each other's well-being, and continuously work on strengthening your bond. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.